Wow.
We had a binky emergency during the commercial
Last
break.
minute.
We had to get the binky, and Molly had a tremendous throw to John. That was
great catch.
To little John. Wonderful. Okay, we can proceed. All right. So couples having trouble conceiving don't have to give up their dreams of having a little bundle of joy or two. There are several options, one being in vitro fertilization.
Yep, Dr. Marwan Sheikh with assisted fertility has helped many couples, and he's got plenty of success stories. But one is here today, and that's Kelly and John Stone and their two twins, and also their little girl here today too. And so thank you all for joining us. Dr. Sheikh, part of the process in helping Kelly conceive involves something that you told me just to call PGD because I was having a problem. Tell us what PGD is.
Correct. PGD is prenatal genetic diagnosis, which basically trying to make a diagnosis about the genetics of the pregnancy before the pregnancy occurs.
So who needs PGD? Who's this?
Anytime you're suspecting genetic problems in the pregnancy, for example, women with recurrent miscarriages, where you think that the miscarriages are due to genetic problems, would be candidates. Women who are in their late 30s, for example, where there might be an increased chance of genetic abnormalities, that can be done at that time.
Well, John and Kelly, congratulations on the birth of your twins. Tell everybody at home, how did PGD help you in your case?
Well, as Dr. Sheikh pointed out, ladies who are in their upper 30s trying to conceive, we were having some problems, reoccurring miscarriages, and when we seek the help of Dr. Sheikh, he recommended that we do this test to ensure that going through the process it would be a success.
And so you got a 2-for-1 special.
We did.
Right?
It was buy one, get one that day.
So what happens when you found out you were having twins?
Well, obviously we were very excited, very nervous. Shocked.
Yeah, my sister, as I told you before, has twin girls, and they're just wonderful. Now, as they reach the 3s, one's running this way, one's running the other, so hedge your bet. Just go for the one that's going to
We're very fortunate. They're both great babies, and we've got a great big sister to help out as well.
That's right. She is a good big sister. Dr. Chillis, how does PGD work with in vitro fertilization?
Okay, well, in vitro fertilization is fertilizing the egg in vitro. So after you fertilize the egg in vitro and the egg starts dividing, you go in and you biopsy one of the cells, take one of the cells from the embryo and send it to be tested. And that tests for all kinds of genetic problems.
When should someone come and see you? Well, when should they start thinking about getting help conceiving?
Well, by definition, infertility is if they've been trying for a year and nothing happened. But again, if a patient is over 35, the female is over 35, I would say if they've tried for 6 months, I would say they should seek a consultation.
And how much could someone who needs PGD expect that to cost?
Well, a PGD itself is about $4,000, and then in vitro is about $6,000.
So they're working in concert together?
In concert together.
I see.
But go ahead. Yeah,
but
I was
there's
gonna
a
say,
special going on right now for First Coast viewers. Tell us about that.
Right. In vitro fertilization cycles, where the special would be a cost of $5,000. That does not include the medications, though, but that would be the cost.
Wow. That's a great savings.
Yes.
Yeah. Well, in
For a
closing,
lifetime.
yeah, I was going to say, just how happy are you guys now going forward, and are you just obviously so thankful that you took this course of action?
Definitely. We're thrilled, and we would do it again in a heartbeat.
Yeah. And are you going to do it again in a heartbeat?
But tell us this, for both of you, or either one of you, what advice would you give to someone who's hearing this right now and thinking that they may want to look into this? What advice would you have for them?
Don't wait.
Don't wait.
Don't wait.
That's the best advice.
Yeah. Well, you guys are so well behaved.
I know.
Now I've jinxed it, haven't I?
And little John is locked on to you like nobody's business
We're
over
like
here.
this, little John and I can see the
Here you
striking
go.
resemblance between. Oh, can I hold him? Okay. All right,
Certainly.
you go ahead and finish this out. Well, thank you so much. Bless your heart.
Yeah, Dr. Sheikh, thanks so much, and the
sweetheart.
Assisted Fertility Program for sponsoring this segment. Of course,
bless
for
his
more
little
information,
heart.
if you want to give PGD a try or hear more information, you can go to their website. It's assistedfertility.org. You can also call them at 398-1473.